NASA, the world's largest space company, has sent numerous rockets to Mars and, with the help of rovers, discovered various things. How could these findings impact our world? And could they pose any risks to us? Are these discoveries proof of the existence of aliens? Today, we will talk about 10 mysterious things found on Mars, and the truth behind them will leave you astonished. So, let's start the video. Hello friends, you are watching World Discovery AI. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Number 10. Pyramid. Everyone knows that Mars is the smallest planet in our solar system, where many scientists are searching for life because its atmosphere is quite similar to our planet. Some scientists believe that life may have already existed on this planet. During a scientific investigation, it was discovered that there is a pyramid on Mars. At first, no one believed this, but when pictures were taken, people were convinced. This pyramid closely resembled the pyramids of Egypt. Judging by its condition, it seemed to be over 1,000 years old. It is speculated that this pyramid was built by aliens who left Mars long before humans could reach it. However, how this pyramid came to be and who built it remains a mystery to this day. Number 9. I saw Mars. At first glance, this picture looks like chocolate, but the reality is entirely different. It is actually a piece of ice that was discovered on Mars. It sounds extremely strange to think about how ice could exist on Mars, but this was proven after a long period that ice indeed exists on the planet. The surprising thing is that such icy patches have been observed in many places on Mars. Another interesting fact is that when the rainy season comes, this ice melts and transforms into a unique liquid form. Scientists say that this ice is vastly different from the ice on Earth, making it one of the most mysterious discoveries. Number 8. Lizard. Friends, while scientists are busy proving the truth about the existence of life on Mars, there's another fascinating claim as well. Normally, you've seen lizards in your house, but what if the same lizard was found on Mars? This dangerous-looking lizard was discovered by scientists during their research on Mars. The scientists took 4 to 5 pictures of this lizard, but every time, it changed its position. However, a few years later, when a request was made to bring this creature back to Earth, it mysteriously disappeared from its spot. This lizard is still considered a mystery. Number 7. Blueberries. The blueberries you love to eat. Scientists have collected clear pictures of similar objects from Mars as well. Yes, friends, a NASA rover sent images from Mars that shook the world. These objects were small, ball-shaped, and looked just like blueberries. According to scientists, this is a mineral called hematite, which forms when iron and oxygen combine, giving it a blue color. However, the most surprising thing is how this material ended up on Mars. This discovery hinted at the presence of oxygen, making scientists happy as it opened the possibility of life on Mars. Would you consider leaving your planet to go to Mars? Let us know in the comments. Number 6. Humanoid. Scientists have long believed that life could exist on Mars, and perhaps there was life there in the past. This belief was reinforced when they found a human-like statue on Mars. The statue looked exactly like a human, with a head, body, and even hands similar to ours. The astonishing thing is that, aside from machines, no humans have ever been to Mars. So, how did this statue end up there? Some people suggest that a creature lived on Mars alongside aliens many years ago, but it has since vanished. However, the true story remains a mystery to this day. Number 5. Fish. Our world consists of 3% oceans, home to many types of fish, and only 1% land where humans live. But can you believe that 40 million years ago, Mars had an ocean many times larger than our own? It may sound unbelievable, but it's true. According to scientists, this ocean existed on Mars 40 million years ago. However, Mars' surface is now made of dust and sand. Recently, scientists discovered a sand-filled fish but this secret was kept hidden from the world. Some people say this fish has been brought to Earth, and NASA is still researching it. Number 4. Dust evils. Some NASA scientists revealed that various types of storms occur on Mars, especially when the planet's temperature rises, making these storms even more dangerous. It's not exactly known what these storms look like, but one scientist created an image where the footprint of a man could be seen. The height of the storm was extremely high, and the scientists were present during the storm, narrowly escaping with their lives. They delivered the message that these storms can take a person's life. In 2005, these storms were named dust evils, whose shadowy footprint was left in the storm remains a mystery to this day. Number 3. Morse code. Scientists today believe that there might already be some creature on Mars, possibly aliens. But the most astonishing thing is that this creature seems to have a habit, much like humans, of traveling to other planets and gathering information. It even tries to communicate with humans. In 2016, a NASA camera robot captured an unusual image and sent it back to Earth. Looking at it, it appeared to resemble dots and dashes written in Morse code. Morse code is a coded language of communication, but these codes were written in such a complex way that no one could understand their meaning. According to scientists, it could be an ancient message from the aliens living there, but what it means remains a mystery to this day. Number 2. Metal rock. Friends, to this day, no one has taken any metal objects to Mars, but NASA discovered through a picture taken by a rover that a metal rock exists on Mars. At first glance, it looked like an ordinary stone, but it was no ordinary rock. It is said that this rock contained so much heat that it could potentially warm the entire Earth. NASA researched it for a long time and silenced the public by claiming that it was just a piece of soil. However, the truth is that this rock is a metal fragment from an alien ship. According to secret sources, many experiments are still being conducted on this rock, and for what purpose it will be used remains a secret to this day. Number 1. Sarcophagus. NASA has discovered many things from Mars, but recently they found a cemetery on the planet. Since no humans live on Mars, whose cemetery could it be? Egyptian-like tombs were found there, leading some to believe that there might be a connection between Egypt, tombs, and aliens. However, how this tomb ended up on Mars remains a mystery. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next video.